everyone, welcome to DIVYA GANITHA. In this video, let us discuss the solution of Kcet 2024. Now, let's get started.
In this problem, they have given Meera visits only one of the two temples. That means she either visits temple A or B. And also they have given probability of visiting temple A, that is 2 by 5. Let us take it as probability of E1, which is 2 by 5. Then probability of visiting temple B is nothing but except temple A. Therefore, probability of E2 will be 1 minus 2 by 5, that is 3 by 5. And also it is given that in temple A, the probability of meeting her friend, let us assume A is the event of meeting her friend, A given E1 will be 1 by 3 because the probability is given as 1 by 3. Similarly, probability of the Meera visits her friend in temple 2, that is A given E2 is 2 by 7. Then we have to find the probability that she visits her friend. We have to find the probability that Meera visits her friend in temple B. That is, we have to find the value of probability of E2 given A. That is calculated by probability of E2 into probability of A given E2 whole divided by probability of E1 into probability of A given E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A given E2. That is nothing but Bayes theorem. We have to use Bayes theorem to solve the problem. If we substitute the value, it will be 3 by 5 into 2 by 7 whole divided by 2 by 5 into 1 by 3 plus 3 by 5 into 2 by 7. If we simplify this, take the LCM. The LCM will be 5 into 3 into 7 in the denominator. So the numerator will be 14 plus 18. In the numerator, it will be 6 by 35. If we cancel the term and simplify, it will be 18 divided by 32, or which is nothing but 9 by 16. That is option C. This is a problem related to the Bayes theorem. In this problem, they have given y is equal to cos x divided by 1 plus sin x. And also they have given 4 statements or the 4 options, among which we have to choose which all are correct. If we differentiate this function directly, that is by using the quotient rule, if we differentiate it, then y dash will be 1 plus sin x into differentiation of the numerator, that is minus sin x minus cos x into differentiation of 1 plus sin x will be differentiation of 1 plus sin x is cos x whole divided by 1 plus sin x. If we simplify this, it will be minus sin x minus sin square x minus cos square x whole divided by 1 plus sin x. Sin square x minus sin square x minus cos square x means it will be minus 1. If we take minus common, it will be minus of 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x whole square. If we cancel the term, so it will be minus 1 divided by 1 plus sin x. This is one of the answer if we differentiate it directly using quotient rule. Now let us simplify this using half angle formula, because there are other options which include half angles. So let us simplify this using half angle. Cos x can be written as cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Similarly, 1 plus sin x can be written as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Right? So numerator is in the form a square minus b square. If we split it, it will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So one of the terms will get cancelled. We are left with cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. If we divide by cos x by 2 to both numerator and denominator, it is converted into 1 minus tan x by 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan x by 2, which is nothing but tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2. Therefore, differentiation of this function will be minus 1 by 2 secant square of pi by 4 minus x by 2, that is c. Therefore, answer will be both a and c. In this problem, we have to find the integral of the function dx divided by x square into x power 4 plus 1 whole power 3 by 4. In this problem, we have to take x power 4 common. If we take x power 4 common, then it will be x square into x power 4 whole power 3 by 4 into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 power 3 by 4. If we simplify this, it will be x square into x cube, which is nothing but dx by x power 5 into 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 3 by 4. Now we take the substitution method. Let us substitute. T is equal to 1 plus 1 by x power 4. If we differentiate it, dt will be equal to minus 4 by x power 5 into dx. That means dx by x power 5 is nothing but dt divided by minus 4. If we substitute it, it will be integral dt by 4 into t power 3 by 4. So the integration of t power minus 3 by 4 will be t power minus, therefore the integration will be minus 1 by 4 is taken common, t power 1 by 4 whole divided by 1 by 4 plus c. So the 4 will get cancelled. Minus of t is nothing but 1 plus 1 by x power 4 whole power 1 by 4 plus c. If we simplify this, it will be minus of x power 4 plus 1 whole divided by x power 4 plus c. That is option C. In this problem, we have to find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y into tan x is equal to secant x. This is problem related to linear differential equation where p is nothing but tan x and q is nothing but secant x. Now, to find the integrating factor, it is e power integral p dx, that is e power integral tan x into dx. We know that integral of tan x is log of secant x. Therefore, e and log will get cancelled. Therefore, the integrating factor is secant x. Therefore, the solution of the differential equation is given by y into integrating factor, that is equal to integral of q into integrating factor into dx plus c. Now substitute the values. Y into integrating factor is secant x, that is equal to integral of secant x into integrating factor again secant x into dx plus c. Secant x into secant x is nothing but secant square x, and the integral of secant square x is tan x plus c. Therefore, the answer is option D. This problem is related to the sets. Here, they have given set A has x is an integer and x square minus 9 equal to 0. If we simplify this, it will be x square equal to 9, or the set A will contain the elements minus 3 and 3. Similarly, B is given as it is a natural number 2 less than or equal to x and less than 5. So natural numbers lie between 2 and 5 means 2 is included. So it is 2, 3 and 4. Set C is prime number less than or equal to 4. Therefore, the prime numbers which are less than or equal to 4 are 2 and 3. Now we have to find B minus C union A. Now if we check, B minus C is nothing but 4, union A is minus 3 comma 3. Therefore, the answer is option D. So in this problem we have to match the two columns, column 1 and column 2. They have given the 4 options. In this we have to check whether the functions are continuous as well as whether it is differentiable. Let us look at one by one. If we consider this function x plus greatest integer of x, we know that greatest integer function is an increasing function. And also x is an increasing function. Clearly, x plus greatest integer of x will be a increasing function. Therefore, option C is matched with 3. Now, look at other options. If we consider x into mod x, we know that modulus function is minus x if x is less than 0 and it is x if x is greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, x into mod x can be written as minus x square if x is less than 0 because x into minus x. Similarly, it will be x square if x is greater than or equal to 0. And we know that x square is continuous as well as differentiable. Therefore, x into mod x is differentiable in the interval minus 1, 1. Now, option B, we have root of mod x. We know that modulus function is not differentiable. If we consider root of mod x, that is also not differentiable. Therefore, it is matched with the fourth option. Similarly, option D, mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x plus 1. We know that the sum of two continuous function is continuous. Modulus function is always continuous. Therefore, this is a continuous function in the interval minus 1, 1. Therefore, the answer will be option 2. In this problem, we have to choose which statement is not correct. That means we have to check whether the statement is true or false. Look at the first option. A diagonal matrix has all diagonal elements equal to 0. Actually, this is not true because in diagonal matrix, all the elements except diagonal elements will be 0. Therefore, answer is option A. You can check for option B, C and D. Those all statements are true. Therefore, answer is option A.